All right, here we go. BSC ONYX single box team random break number 17. This is the second single box break of the night. It'll be listed on YouTube as number 17 if you're looking for it later. First thing I gotta do is quickly run through the rules again. So if there is no identifiable team on the card, then the card will go to the NHL team the player is currently on, or if retired, the team they played the most games with in their NHL career. When it is Olympic, All-Star team, juniors card, etc., then the card will go to the NHL team the player is currently on, or if retired, the team they played the most games with in their NHL career. If we have to pull a player, a card of a player who never played in the NHL or has not yet played in the NHL, we'll just randomize that card off at the end between all participants. So first thing we're going to do is randomize the list of our participants. Everybody's on here in the spot numbers that they requested or the spot numbers that they're placed in. If you purchase one spot in this break, you'll see your name on this list twice. If you purchase two spots, you'll see your name on here 4 times, etc. I basically just doubled up the list. I'll show you what I mean. So Emma's Aces, that's spot number 1. To Jockey, 15. That's where I doubled up the list. So Emma's Aces is also in 16. And Jockey in 30. I'll randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So that quickly. All right, up next is the list of NHL teams. All 30 teams are on here in alphabetical order, starting with the Anaheim Ducks, all the way down to Winnipeg. I'll randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. I'm just going to copy and paste these lists and put them in my spreadsheet, and I'll read off everybody's team. Just a heads up for next week's ONYX breaks, we will be doing, again, randoms and hit drafts. We're going to slightly tweak the format of the randoms for next week. I'll have that posted on the website tomorrow, but if you stick around to the end of the night, I'll explain exactly what we're going to be doing. I think it's going to improve these breaks. All right, so Birdman's got Nashville. Yeah, let me focus that. There you go. Birdman's got Nashville. Trippid's got Columbus. Deepan, Chicago. DeJockey, Carolina. Big John, Toronto. 9515CN, Edmonton. Trippid, Washington. 9515CN, Pittsburgh. Trippid, LA. Underdog, Detroit. Trippid, Colorado. Deepan, Arizona. Emma's Aces, San Jose. GS Knucklehead, Ottawa. Underdog, Montreal. Big John, New York Islanders. DeJacula, Minnesota. Trippid, Dallas. Tylex, Buffalo. Trippid, New Jersey. Tylex, Philly, DeJacula, Anaheim, Underdog, Boston, Birdman, New York Rangers. Where am I here? Oh, Emma's Aces, Calgary, Jupin, St. Louis, Underdog, Winnipeg, DeJockey, Vancouver, Jupin, Florida, GS Knucklehead, Tampa Bay. All right, so we'll do this the same way we did in the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. First 3 numbers I see in the chat from different people that are all in the break, please. Only if you're in the break, put a number out. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Box 1 it is. Bottom box. Good luck, everybody. All right. First up, this is from 12/13 in the game Ultimate Memorabilia Edition. It's an Enshrine Auto jersey for the Vancouver Canucks, Pavel Bure. Vancouver, that is going to DeJockey. It is a Vancouver card. There you go, Canucks. There we go. And up next, we've got a raw young gun. This one's going to go to Chicago. Jonathan Taves. That's going to Deepan. Dave, there you go. These are selling for good money right now.